If you have a Telegram channel, you have been making money unknowing to you. If you have a Telegram channel, yeah, Telegram. If you have a channel, you'll be posting videos, you'll be getting tons of views. My brother, my sister, you have been making money unknown to you. Nah, what the person no good. So all these have been making money, me I don't know. I'm going to be showing you. This is if you have a channel. You can actually make money from your Telegram channel. Just like Facebook, the way they run advert, they actually run advert on those content, on those videos you post. No wonder people are just saying, okay, subscribe to my Telegram. Now let me show you. Open your Telegram. Open your Telegram. Now, once you open your Telegram here, open your Telegram. Once you open your Telegram here, now click on your Telegram channel link. Click on your Telegram channel name. Now, I did not say Telegram account, I say channel. Click on your channel. Yeah. Now, once you click on your channel, you are going to see something like this. Is that okay? Now, click on the name. Once you click on the name, you will see this three dotted stuff. Click on this three dotted menu drop down. You are going to see statistics. Click on statistics. Hey, if you click on statistics, you are going to see the overview or more, even the growth. You are going to see your growth. So I've been making money myself. I don't even know. Now, once you scroll down, you are going to see monetization. Click on monetization. You are going to see the magic there. Now, actually, Telegram pay people using TON, T-O-N. Is a crypto transaction that was just, I think launched or something like that. They pay you with TON and they share 50% ADS revenue with you. So you earn 50%. Now, if you scroll down, you see that I have been making money. I've been making money for knowing to be. So now it means on this place of available reward, this is where your TON is going to be. Then equivalent to dollar, you are going to see this sign there. You can collect your reward using Fragment, a third-party platform used by advertisers to pay for ADS. Now, if you click on switch off ADS, Telegram will not pay you again. So you need to leave your ADS on so that they can be running ADS on your channel. So if you have above 1K subscribers on your Telegram channel, you are actually making money. Please go and do this and check if you have available balance and withdraw your money. Like I said, they are going to pay you using TON. T-O-N is a crypto coin. They're going to pay you using that. Everybody, see, if you know you have a channel, rush to your Telegram and go and check this. If you have money there, congratulations. If you don't have money there, start getting subscribers and start posting video there. Apart from advertising, using your channel to advertise for people, run ADS for people, Telegram actually pay you. Telegram actually run ADS using your videos, on your videos, and you're supposed to be making 15% from ADS that is given on your video. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Also, oh yeah, rush to your Telegram. But before you do that, share this video. Let people know. Share this video. Let people know that they are actually making money on their Telegram channel unknowing to them. Go to the comment section, drop your contribution, or ask question. What the person don't know? You know,